Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, HP Ink Tank Wireless 415, and now I'm gonna show you how to copy documents in color on this printer. So firstly, you need to insert the paper with color in copy slot. Then here you have two copy buttons, black and white copy on the right and color copy on the left. So click on color copy and wait. So of course you need to place the paper in the paper slot. And try again. And great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.